Hello traders, how was the day today? We had a wonderful dump today. So when I looked at the chart in the morning at 7 o'clock, I saw that overnight we again got stuck at 51 and then we had three consecutive bars on the bearish side, right? But it was taking support on this upper trend line that we had yesterday. So my idea at this point was this should get at least one more leg down and that could actually bring us down to the level of the 5624. So that is what we were thinking. And if we get below 5624, 5627 area as per the plan yesterday, we were thinking that we will come down farther. And as per the plan yesterday, if the 2724 areas break down, then there is a good possibility that we will keep coming down towards that 15 line again. And if the 15 breaks down, we will see somewhere between 05 to 09, and then below that 04 area, we can come down to the 90s and the 80s once again. So that was the plan that we were following. So I was not interested in going long at all. But the day started with a very tight trading range. Let us get back to the 5-minute chart. So here is the 5-minute chart. If you see that we had a gap down, we went up to the COY, but all these candles were below the RTH20 EMA, right? So we were in a very tight trading range. So if you look at, let me put in the bar counts here. So if you see here, all these bars were actually moving between 35 and 40. So I did some scalp whenever it was coming to 35, I was going long. Whenever it was going to 40, I was shorting, and it was coming down to 35, I was taking profit again. So I did that around 3-4 times in this area. So that was a good scalp that we had. And then once I shorted here at 40 again around bar number 14, this bar actually broke down. So this time I started holding, right? I was thinking that whether this trend line will hold, but we actually broke it down. We came back above it again at this point of time. I put my stop loss above this breakout line at 31.75 and I kept on holding to it. And when we were at this 2-4 area again, my next target became somewhere around 1.5 and I finally came out of the trade at 0.5 area. Now then we started doing a tight trading range here again, but after this kind of a drop, I was expecting some more drop to come in. I shorted the close of bar number 34 again and came out in the 9.6 area. Then we had these strong 4 bull bars. We had a little pullback. I went long one tick above bar 40 and my target was that 1.5 line again. We got that 1.5 line and we came out. This was a surprise bar that happened. I was also looking at, there was a wedge structure getting formed here. This was the surprise bar. Now this bar was so big, this was a multi-bar reversal. It will need another leg down, right? So I did not get long around here, but still I was thinking that this may actually work as the final flag. But when bar number 50 happened, it was a very strong bar. It did not have any wicks at the bottom. We shorted here at 0.5 and from here my target was 20 points from here and I came out somewhere in the 85 area. I was holding on to a runner. I was thinking whether if we could go back to 75, but we could not. And finally I came out of the runner above bar number 56 when candle number 57 happened. And then we entered into another TTR here. So if you see, if we can actually draw a channel here. So this was the channel that I had drawn here. And if you see after the strong bar, this was the double bottom and nothing was coming down below this channel anymore. So which was telling me that this bar may be the final one and maybe we will start to go up once again. So when this candle happened, I was not in a trade, but as the bar was moving up, I went long at the EMA at 55.92 area. And then my first profit take again was at 15. Then there was the pullback. This was the 50% pullback. And then if I bring in the Ripster cloud in here with the 813 EMA, you'll see that as soon as this came inside the cloud, it went and closed above it. I bought this 02 again and again I came out at the 1.5 area. I was of the opinion that if we can get above this 1.5, then we can come close to 2.325 line, but we came just till the 2.1 line. I was not in this trade though, but then I scalped one. I saw this wedge happening here and I scalped at and I shorted at 15 and came out at 10. So that was a nice trade, and that was the last short trade that I had. And then the price went back up. It got rejected at the 200 EMA again, and then we are coming down at this point. So this was the wedge. This is the first leg down. There should be a second leg down as well. Now we will have to see when that happens. Nvidia ER will be announced very soon, so we will have to see how the ER is and how the market reacts to the ER overnight and what happens tomorrow morning. If we we have any news items. I'll have to check that if we have any news items tomorrow. Based on that, we will take a call again in the morning about the direction that the market will most probably be taking. So at this point, this is all I have. Again, like always, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon. And I'll see you guys very soon with the expectations for tomorrow's video sometime in the evening. Have a great rest of the afternoon, guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.